Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to see if someone is online on WhatsApp. To check if someone is currently online, to do this, let's start by launching the WhatsApp application on your device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the specific chat you're interested in. Then choose this chat right here. To determine if the person is online, look for an active status right under their name. This status indicates whether the person is currently online. Now, to ensure you have the option to view others' online status enabled on your end, follow these steps. Tap on Settings here. Then go to Account and proceed to the Privacy settings. Let's click on Last Seen and Online. Make sure the setting is configured to everyone. This allows others to see your active status, indicating whether you are online. It's important to note that for you to check if someone is online, they also need to have this option enabled on their end. If they don't, you won't be able to see their active status on the WhatsApp application. Keep in mind that not everyone may have this option turned on, so this method may not apply universally. However, for those who do, you can use this feature to check if someone is active on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.